Okay, so let's see. The sled is moving at the top of the hill. At the bottom, it hits a patch of dirt that slows it for that amount of force for that amount of distance. How fast is it going after the dirt patch? Let's draw a picture. Here's this sled. Okay, here's a dirt patch. Let's draw the dirt patch. 137.2 newtons for 6.12 meters. Here's the sled here. And it's going 125 kilogram sled. It's heavy. It's got bricks of gold on it. I don't know, do you guys ever read that story about the 3.31? This hill is 2.65 meters tall. Okay, so this is supposed to be a 2 to 2. I think here we've got mgh plus 1/2 mv squared. We've got kinetic and potential here. And then it goes to force times distance. And then we want to know the speed of the sled right after the dirt patch, right? So here's the sled. I'm drawing it with dotted lines. And they're highly conjectural. Ooh, it looks like a kind of lizard or something like that. Okay, so here the question is, what's its velocity there, right? And since we're asking for the velocity, it must be that it has kinetic energy, right? Notice the mass does not cancel. That is a heavier sled. If the force stayed the same, would which it wouldn't, but would be going faster or something, right? So let's see, 125 times 9.81 times 2.65 plus 1/2 125 times 3.31 squared is equal to 137 times 6.12 plus 1/2 125 v squared. God help you if you can't do math here. Okay, a little coffee there. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to start on this side here. I'm going to go 125 times 9.81 times 2.65, and I'm going to add this plus 0.5 times 125 times 3.31 squared. Let's see if that's in fact what I typed. Indeed it is. So now I've got this side here, and I'm going to subtract this. I'm going to go minus 137 times 6.12. So I did this plus this. I'm going to subtract this, right? So whenever there's terms alongside the unknown, I just subtract them, bring them to the other side. Did I do that? In fact, I did. Okay, when I hit enter now, I've got what equals 1/2 times this times this. Teaching you how to do the calculator math. So now 1/2 125 v squared is something like 3094 and change. Okay, so I'm going to go times 2 to get rid of this guy, divided by 125. And now I've got the v squared is something like 49 point something, right? Okay, so now I'm going to square root that, raised to the 0.5, 7.036. Which is the right answer.